Good afternoon, this is Kenneth Lynch again, about to demonstrate a video about this great stereo and alarm combined, the Bose Wave Radio. And there's the present time right there. And I think if you have to your LED, I can't remember what it is. And let's demonstrate the radio. That's definitely my favorite station right there. K-Love right there. I'll show you the other stations. No, not this. Wow, here's the oldies.
Staying pregnant? It's better to get your answers sooner than
employers who post a job.
Classic rock.
Tom Petty.
I love this music.
Black Sabbath.
Okay, let's go ahead and demonstrate the alarm as well. And let's sound it. Definitely loud enough to wake up heavy sleeper, including myself as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment and or like it if you can. Thank you. Have a good day now.